and let you know if any severe weather moves through the area. Plus, you can download the local forecasters app. You'll get the latest alerts, including any watches or warnings that may be issued. We're looking at overnight temperatures right around 70 degrees, so it'll be a warm night tonight, even after those showers and thunderstorms pass. Right now we're looking at partly to mostly cloudy skies overhead, still a warm 80 degrees after middle 80s just a couple of hours ago, with a steady breeze out of the southwest at around 17 miles per hour. So here's my storm timeline for you to pay attention to as you make your plans for this evening. From now till about the end of dinner time, around 8 p.m. A few showers around, some lightning, but the heaviest storms, the strongest storms are reserved between 8 p.m. and midnight later on tonight. After midnight, if it's a late night for you, we'll still have some scattered storms around midnight till about 2 a.m. And the main threat from any severe weather will be the high winds, the frequent lightning, and the possibility of flooding, especially when we get heavy downpours. Lower on the scale, again, this is not a guarantee, but I do want to alert you to this, are the possibilities of damaging hail and the possibility of an isolated tornado. But again, that is not a guarantee. We're looking at 85 for our friends over in Lapeer, where we did have some shower activity. You can see temperatures are in the rain-cooled 70s out toward Saline and also in Lenawee County. So after these showers and storms move through, we have high pressure settling in throughout much of our weekend. Saturday might have a scattered shower, but Sunday, that's going to be the driest day, and it remains very warm all weekend long. So overnight tonight, we're looking at showers and storms rolling through between now and midnight. Some of the heaviest shower and storm activity after 8 p.m. Temperatures down to about 70. 85 for tomorrow, with a scattered shower here and there early in the morning and in the middle of the afternoon. Not a washout. Then look at all of that sunshine, Karen. Middle, even upper 80s as we go into Sunday. 80s to near 90 degrees virtually all of next week.